Hello everyone, my name is Michael Livanov, and after many weeks of research on the topic of extraterrestrial life, I will be presenting to you today what I've learned. So, as a kid, or even as an adult, have you ever looked up into the night sky and just wondered, is there any life possibly out there? Because I definitely have. And with various pieces of evidence and research that went into that question, the probability of alien life actually existing is very high. So, today we'll be talking about the history and the size of the universe, along with the scientific evidence and the limits of human technology that prevent us at the moment from exploring further into the universe and our galaxy. Um, so, Um, First, we will be talking about the history and size of the universe. So, researchers found that most of our home planet, well, Earth, um, actually existed um, in the last third of the entire history of the universe. So, according to the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, the universe was created about 14 billion years ago, with the Earth being created 4.5 billion years ago. Um, And furthermore, this separate article by NASA confirms that there are about 2 trillion galaxies that exist, with the real number possibly being even higher. And this makes it, with Earth existing about 4.5 billion years ago and the universe existing 14 billion years ago, um, that means there's many billions of years where there could have been development in other solar systems with either alien intelligence or just alien life as we know it, or not know it yet. um, so, However, aside from the vastness of the universe and the extensive history, scientific discoveries and facts explain how alien life is actually possible. So, according to Jonathan Carroll Ellenbach, along with his peers, um, who have extensive experience with NASA, astrophysics, and exoplanetary systems, they explain in the Fermi paradox that one of the reasons for the fact, due to the history of the universe, civilizations could have already gone extinct way before we even came to be, before even our planet was invented, or not invented, created. Um, Sorry about that. And another evidence piece that they included was that intelligent life is actually extremely rare. So, looking at example from our Earth, there's about 8 million species, except we are the only species, humans, that can, have intelligence. Um, Therefore, it is very rare in the universe or our galaxy for that to even happen. And another example was that our solar system, there's 8 planets, and each of those planets is hard for us to still reach. It'll take many months to even, or years to even get there with our current tech. And to put it into size, our galaxy has a radius of about 100,000 light years. There are about 100 million to 300 million, if not more, stars in the system. And each one of those stars has a chance to, have one exoplanet per star, if not more. Therefore, that is just such a vast amount of possibilities for life to exist elsewhere other than Earth. So, according to Dr. Lindsay Hayes, a NASA scientist in Planetary Science Division, she explained that bacteria and other microorganisms were actually able to survive in the most harshest conditions and uninhabitable places on Earth. And she explained that extraterrestrial life does not have to exactly be intelligent or human-like. In fact, it doesn't even have to be like um, animal-like. It could just be at the micro level of bacteria, small organisms. And that and also she explained that bacteria has been tested in the most uninhabitable places on Earth, um, and they were able to survive. So therefore, the possibility of that happening in another planet is very high. So aside from the various explanations from the Fermi paradox and the bacterial research that was conducted on Earth, the recent findings show that planets actually closely resemble. There's actually recent findings that show planets closely resembling Earth. Um, and researchers and scientists, with the help of long-range space probes, have discovered planets within our galaxy and other galaxies that have similar characteristics to Earth. So, according to Calla Cofield, a science writer and a communicator, um, she explained that two planets were discovered that could possibly harbor life. These planets mainly consist of water and have a similar um, land to water ratio like Earth. And they also have an atmosphere and are in the habitable zone of their sun or star. And all three of those things, the habitable zone, the atmosphere, and water, all, they're all news that life could be possible with all those features. So, according to another source, Chris Anderson, the CEO of TED-Ed, which is a reputable and respected research organization, claims that the reason that humans have not found extraterrestrial life yet is that because we are not technologically advanced enough to be able to do that. Humans have only started space travel and exploration in the last, century or so, and in order to really answer those extraterrestrial questions, we would actually need hundreds, if not thousands, of more years of technological advancement. Also, Anderson explains that the closest known planet that actually resembles Earth-like characteristics is actually 4 light years away. And with the current technology that we have, it would take more than 37,000 years to even travel 1 light year. You know? So, overall, the existence of alien life is more than highly probable with the vastness of the universe and the galaxies, because, just in our own galaxy, there are over 300 million possibilities of life existing. And so today we talked about the large vastness of the universe, the scientific discoveries, and the limited human technology that we currently have available that prevents us from actually exploring that side of the question of whether aliens exist or not. So, in order to further support the research for extraterrestrial life, we would actually have to invest in scientific research and technology that could help us explore and understand the universe much better. This could include projects like the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, SETI, SETI, space missions to search for signs of life on other planets, and the development of new technologies such that we can better, detect and analyze potential evidence of extraterrestrial life. And by doing so, we may not only uncover life beyond Earth, but also gain a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it. Thank you.